Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to fix the Minecraft Bedrock error that says unable to locate the game files or failed to find the installed product. Now this issue usually happens when the game files are missing, corrupted, or the launcher can't detect them. So in order to fix this error, first of all, you need to close the Minecraft and the launcher completely. Also make sure that it is not running in the background through the task manager. Next, you need to reopen the store and the launcher that you have installed it from. If you are using Microsoft Store, you just have to open the application on your computer. Over here, when you go to the apps tab or when you go to the library, you just have to find Minecraft Bedrock here. When you click on the option of manage right next to it, you just have to select the option of verify or repair. So this step is going to automatically replace any kind of missing or broken files. Now, if you installed Minecraft from another launcher, you can use the repair or the verify integrity option there as well. So this fixes most of the detection related problems. Now, you need to go to your apps settings on your Windows. For that, simply click on the taskbar settings. Here inside it, you will see the option of apps. In the apps, you just have to go to the option of the installed apps. Over here, use the search bar and you need to simply look for Minecraft. Now make sure that it is still installed on the same drive. If the files were moved, reinstalling to the same drive usually fixes the error. If nothing works, you can also uninstall Minecraft Bedrock and restart your PC, then install it again using the same account. Your worlds are normally backed up to your account, so you don't lose the progress. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.